Thank you, sir.
As a child, we used to watch you playing.
Mr. Shanti Ghoshal, the great cricket player ever produced. Mr. Shanti Ghoshal. এই মুহূর্তের আমরা সবাই সাক্ষী হয়ে থাকলাম। Mr. James Karketta, skillful player in hockey. Mr. James Karketta. Now, I will call Mr. Kishan Lal, the beloved son of late Mr. Sahu Mewalal. Mr. Kishan Lal. Now I request Mr. Sumit Narula to present the piece of remembrance in the shape of this small memento to our GM sir. Mr. Sumit Narula, please. Thank you, sir, for the kind acceptance. Now, sir, please share a few words with us.
First of all, I'd like to congratulate Vienna Club on completion of 80 years of their existence. We all are aware, particularly the capitals and people who are in West Bengal, that Vienna has had a glorious past. It has produced some of the most outstanding players who have done the country and the state proud. For some reason or other, in the late 80s and 90s, the club had a decline. But with the hard work of all its members and those who have interest in it, the sports activities in the clubs and their achievements have started looking up. We have seen the galaxy of stars, some of whom have been very kind to give us their time and be present here. There are many others who could not come. We wish them all the best. In today's function, we would express our heartfelt thanks and gratitude to all the sportsmen who have been associated with the Vienna Club. We are fortunate that people like Shri Arun Ghosh, Shri Shanti Ghoshal and Shri James Karketta are amongst us. We remember one of our greatest jewels, Sahu Mewalal, whom we lost a few months back. Unfortunately, Mr. Leslie Claudius could not make it because of sickness of his wife. It would have been a great pleasure to wish him the best here today. The club has organized an exceptional musical event and soon we'll be having Madam Alka Yagning amongst us to entertain us. We are indeed fortunate that we'll be witnessing her perform here. She shares a special bond with Calcutta as she was born and brought up in this city. Once she broke into Hindi film playback, she never looked back and has scaled great heights. I also welcome talented singer Kaushik Roy Chaudhary, who shall also be performing here today. In the end, I wish the Vienna Recreation Club all the best. I thank all the office bureau of the club for giving me an opportunity to be here and organizing such a wonderful function. Thank you.
Now we are going to watch the small form of history. The documentary film, The Spirit. Let's see.
The Vienna Recreation Club, established in the year 1929, it stands with history like a monument in the Maidan.
In 60s, particularly in early 60s, Vienna was one of the strongest teams in Indian football.
সেই জায়গাতে নিয়ে যেতে পারি আমি সবসময় বড় খুশি হব।
64-এ আমরা রোভার্স চ্যাম্পিয়ন, তারপরে আমরা ন্যাশনাল চ্যাম্পিয়ন হই 1961 সালে, 64 সালে। আমি আরও গর্বিত রেলওয়ে থেকে যে আমি প্রথম যে এখান থেকে অর্জুন অ্যাওয়ার্ড পাই 1965।
হয়তো একটা ধমক থাকতো, আমরা গ্রহণ করেছিলাম, কারণ উনি যেটা বলছেন উনি আমার জন্য বলছি, এটা আমরা ভাবতে পেরেছি। মাই কোচ খুব শান্তশিষ্ট ছিল, খুব আমার কোচ ছিল, খুব সাবলীল মেলামেশা করতেন। একটা মানুষ যখন সরলতা থাকে, একটা মানুষ যখন সাবলীল।
আমরা সেই যে লিগ জিতেছি, নকআউট জিতেছি, গ্রামের পরিবেশ ভালো ছিল, ম্যানেজমেন্ট সাপোর্টও ভালোই ছিল।
The club proud and the country even prouder.
Now we are entering the musical evening. At first we will have classical concert. वायलिन पर रहेंगे प्रोफेसर विश्वजीत राय चौधरी, फ्लूट पर होंगे प्रोफेसर सुदीप कुमार चैटर्जी, संतूर पर हैं श्रीमान अमित दास, तबले पर हैं श्रीमान प्रद्युत मुखर्जी, तानपुरे पर हैं श्रीमान विमल कुंडू और शुक्ला चक्रवर्ती। पंडित रविशंकर जैसे हरिप्रसाद चौरसिया, शिव कुमार शर्मा, अल्लाह रखाव जैसे ऐसे महान उस्तादों की मातृभूमि रही है भारत भूमि। तो ऐसे ही चुनिंदा ध्रुपद संगीत के पुजारियों को हमने भी यहाँ बुलाया है, ताकि समुद्र रूपी संगीत के लहरों में हम भी सराबोर हो जाएं।
हेलो हेलो,
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद कि आप लोग यहाँ आए।
সত্তরটার ভলিউম আসেনি। সত্তর শোনা যাচ্ছে না। নমস্কার, আমরা শুরু করছি।
সন্তুরটা একটু বাড়াবেন, কিছুই শোনা যাচ্ছে না।